एल्लारिगु नमस्कार। आपको पता है कि जियो जो भी करता है वो एक बड़ा पर्पज और स्पीड और स्केल के साथ करता है। मतलब कोई भी चीज़ आप देखोगे जियो की हिस्ट्री में, हमने कभी ऐसा स्मॉल थिंग्स नहीं किया, ऑलवेज डिड इट इन ए वेरी लार्ज स्केल। In the recent time, when there is a COVID situation arose, Jio suddenly decided to do, or Reliance suddenly decided to do, provide or manufacturing oxygen, liquid oxygen, which can help the COVID patient. You will surprised to know that India's 11% of liquid oxygen provided by this organization Reliance, which is called Pranavayu, which is oxygen, which is a single company at a single location. They provide 11% of India's liquid oxygen. It means 1 out of every 10 COVID patient in India, and offering this service to the nation completely free of cost. So this is what we are always feeling proud of. On one hand, we provide oxygen which kept people alive, and in same time mobile recharge also kept people connected, in which you, all of you, all my FSC friends, all my distributor friend, you also played a great role. Not only in the good times, also in the tough time, you have done a fantastic role to take our revenue up and increase our market share up and up. Today, I am pleased to announce that Google and Jio teams have jointly developed a truly breakthrough phone, which is called, which is a smartphone that we are calling JioPhone Next. JioPhone Next is a fully feature-fast smartphone. It is not like a JioPhone. It's like a fully featured smartphone supporting the entire suite of applications from both Google and Jio. While being ultra affordable, JioPhone Next is packed with a lot of features like voice assistant, automatic read aloud of screen text, language translation, camera, and all these features are already built in this JioPhone. JioPhone Next will be available in the market in the month of September, and one of the best day, which is an auspicious day on the Ganesh Chaturthi, we are going to launch this. And we have a passionate and a talented team, including you, and a world-class partners to win the market. We now have more than 40 crore consumer in our network. So Jio is having more than 40 crore customers, and you will believe it or not, we are leaders in 19 out of 22 circle in just 4 years times. We are thankful to your service during pandemic to help our customer stay connected, and many of you have done extraordinary work in last 1 year time in activation as well as in recharge. I have interacted with extraordinary successful FSCs. I have personally spoken to many of you and tried to find out what are the secret of your success. And few names coming to my mind. I was talking to Babu, one of the FSC from a distributors in Kundapur. He never misses his FSC dashboard update, and he always focus on stay connected plus call, and started earning a lot of incentives and does lot of drive effectively and getting success every day. And also I remember another FSC is called Sasi from Ravi Telecom, and another FSC called Arvind from Maruti Enterprises. Both are from this Chamrajpet JC. They have done a brilliant job in the recent past, and they started getting lot of incentives from their distributor point or from Jio point, and they are highly punctual and they're working like stars in our Bangalore market. You have done great, and that's why today you are here. But you have a large opportunity to earn more and more. We want to onboard an additional 200 million customers on Jio's networks. Means today we have 40 crore customer. we are very soon looking at 60 crore customer in India, by which we need your effort, your support to take the journey to the next level. This clearly presents three more potential or three earning potential. This clearly presents, again I am repeating, three earning opportunity for you. Do more MNP and new SIM activation, do more recharge, and do more device selling, including partner brands handsets. We want you to continue as part of Jio's strongest distribution network in India, ready to take on the challenge over competitions, and we want to dominate the markets, and we want you to maximize your earning as a disciplined soldier of Jio's distribution army. Do all your daily tasks very religiously. Entire Jio team is there to support you, guide you, and work with you. And I am as a as a SND head in Karnataka. I am always there to support you. You have my numbers. Even if any difficulties you find, you can reach out to me, and we are there to support you. Me and my entire team will tell you what are the exciting things coming for you this on this very auspicious day today, the Partners Day. And this event flow will continue now, and my team will explain you in details. So ellarigu ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Thank you very much.